In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to quickly find attachments in Gmail, whether you're searching for an important document, a presentation, or some cherished photos. Knowing how to efficiently locate attachments can save you a lot of time and hassle. Let's dive right in. The key to finding attachments swiftly in Gmail lies in utilizing the search bar effectively. This powerful tool can filter emails to display only those that have attachments, making your search significantly more manageable. Here's how you can do it. First, open up your Gmail account and direct your attention to the search bar at the top of your inbox. This bar is where you usually type in keywords to find specific emails. However, today we're going to use a specific search operator, which will make your task much easier. In this search bar, type has.attachment and then press enter on your keyboard. What this simple command does is instruct Gmail to sift through your emails and show only those that include some form of attachment. This method is incredibly efficient and can be used no matter how large your inbox is, instantly narrowing down your options to emails containing files. As you watch your inbox refresh, you'll see a list of emails pop up that all contain attachments. This list is a treasure trove of files you've received, and you can scroll through to find the specific one you're looking for. You might notice emails with icons next to them, indicating the type of file attached, whether it's a document, a PDF, or an image file. Here's a little tip. After entering has.attachment, you can further streamline your search by refining it with additional keywords. For example, if you're looking for a PDF, you can type file name PDF after has.attachment in the search bar. This additional step filters the attachments to show only those with PDF files. And there's more. If you're aware of the sender or a keyword in the email, you can add those details to your search as well. For example, typing has.attachment from senderexample.com will display attachments only from that particular sender. This can be extremely useful if you're dealing with a large number of emails from multiple sources. To recap, by using the has.attachment filter in Gmail's search bar, you gain access to a quick method of locating and organizing your attachments, saving valuable time and effort. So make sure to utilize this function next time you need to find a particular file quickly. And there you have it. You now know how to efficiently find attachments in your Gmail account. I hope this tutorial helps you manage your emails better and faster. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and feel free to share it with anyone who might need this tip. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.